Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing on our series of Django. So we have our page right here, but there's a couple things we need to add. I want to show you that right now we don't have a submit button. We're gonna work on maybe aligning this a little bit, and there's a couple other functionality that we need to do to actually create a user and get this information into the database. So all right, let's get after it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one video after another, and we build, and they're all searchable, and you can come back and see us. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. So the first things first is we need to get some input in here, and the type is we need to get a submit. All right, and submit mit. All right, and then name, we're just going to create user. Let's bring this over so you can see it. And I don't even looked at the sizing on this. Let's see. That zoomed in pretty good. We'll zoom in here. There we go. Is that better? All right, name, and we're going to be create user. Also quotes. Create user. Close that out, and we are good. Now we're going to leave this blank because I'm going to show you. I don't want you to freak out when I type it, so we're going to leave an issue here. Now let's head back over here. All right, so now we need some functionality of how to take information off the form and then put it into the database. So we're going to continue on with, we're going to use our request. We're going to do an if, we're going to test if request is a post. So we're going to check the method. And is it a post? And if it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to put this into the form. Use your form and then just request post. Let's move this over more. Dot post. Oops. There we go. All right. Now we need to test this if it's valid. So we'll go over why this is important if it matches. Is valid. This is just a nice method that is already out there on the form. From Django is valid. We're testing this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if it is valid, we're going to save it. All right. All right, so we're good here. Everything went through. So now let's take a peek. Redo this. I'm going to show you one thing in the meantime. Yep. Let's make this a little prettier. So this is just another way, as underscore p. Save. This is just saying, let's wrap paragraph tags around it. And there's our submit. I can't remember if it's at the end. So each of these is a paragraph. So now we are going to have two problems here. Please fill out this field. So we're going to put old Steve-O in here. And then it's just going to be help me. We got a little problem here, so help me. Watch. Okay, first issue. We need a token, and I'm not a big fan of showing and typing without you knowing why. So you can just copy this token right here, slap it right at the top. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Save. Everything's good. All right, let's go back. All right, Steve-O. And help me. Help me. Aha. So password is too short. So I get my little error here because it says right here, and Django even handles this for us. All right. What about this? What about this? Submit. Boom. Now I want to show you we didn't direct anywhere. We're going to deal with that later, right? So here's our action. We're staying on the same page. So now this all went through. So we're going to check our admin. I'm still logged in. Admin. Here I am. Here's Steve. Now, next video, what we're going to do is we're going to deal with how to control this form. All right, let's come back over here. Local register. So right now on our admin we had first name, last name, email. We do not have first name, last name, email. So we have something that we're already set up for, but our form, so now we're going to take Django's form and tweak it a little bit. But this is the basis of how you do all of this. And now we know how to wrap and make this pretty, and we know how to use these functions, these methods, to go ahead and save it. So this is our building block of how to get, and then next time we're going to redirect, we're going to tweak the form a little bit, and then we're going to redirect to the login page. And I'm on the fence if we want to add some Bootstrap and CSS. So maybe we can take a poll on that. But there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. Hate that this ran over a little bit. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.